beautiful queens and kings. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I am just quickly going to share this chicken fingers recipe with you. It is super crispy and easy to make. Everyone can make it just right at the comfort of their kitchen, as I say all the time. So please stay tuned to the end to see how I make it. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't seen how I made my pesto for this pasta right here, then I hope you hop over there to see how I made it. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see how I make my chicken. These are the ingredients that I am using. I will list everything down below in the description box as usual. So here I've got my chicken, 650 grams of chicken that I've cut into tenders or clean, and I'm seasoning that with some salt, a pinch of salt. And then I'm gonna go in and add all my spices or seasonings that I'm using here. Everything, pepper, garlic powder, and here I've got 1 egg that I'm beating, and I'm going to pour that over on my chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and add about 50 ml of milk to this. You can use any milk of your choice. So I am mixing that together to make sure it's well covered. And once that is done, I'm going to cover with some bag here and then pop it in the fridge for about 40 minutes. And then here I go 4 tablespoons of flour, and I'm mixing that with cornstarch, also 4 tablespoons, and a pinch of salt, as well as a pinch of parsley, dry ones, but this is optional, and then some chili flakes or crushed chili. And that's all I'm adding to the flour and cornstarch. You can add whatever seasoning you want to add to it. So I'm mixing that together to make sure it's well combined. And then I'll set that aside for later. Guys, if today is your first time visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. So here's my oil. I'm just heating it up on a medium heat, and my chicken after 40 minutes, I'm just gonna go now and coat it with the flour mixture. So I'm just gonna take a chicken, a fillet, and then just coat it, or coat it in there. And once that is done, I'm just going to shake to get rid of the excess flour and then place it on my plate. And I'm going to do about 10 of those, not all of the chicken, because I don't want the coating to wear off or become sticky. So I want to be able to just coat it and then go ahead and fry it immediately. You can use only flour if you want, or you can add a little bit of potato starch. I believe the potato starch or the cornstarch makes it a little bit more crispier. That's why I'm using it, but it's personal choice. It's optional. You can use whatever you want to use. So I'm now going to go ahead and start frying. I'm adding about 4 to 5 fillets to my oil at a time. I don't want to overcrowd it, and I'm going to fry that for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I will be flipping in between to make sure each side is cooked evenly or fried evenly. While I was doing this, I also went ahead to preheat my oven on 200 degrees. I will be placing my chicken in there to keep it more crispier. So I'm now going to remove that and place on my baking paper here, and then pop it into the oven. I place that on my rack and then pop it into the oven while I get on with the next batch. and I'll do the same thing with the next batch as well. I will also pop this in the oven. And you can do this if you want your chicken to be extra crispy, if you're not going to eat it immediately, and also to keep it crispy for longer. So this is the end result of my chicken, and of course I kept it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes, and I kept monitoring it until it was extra crispy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had this chicken with my pasta al pesto, and I had some sauce by the side. It was quite simple to make. It was just mayonnaise and garlic sauce and ketchup mixed together with a little bit of crushed chili on there and some fresh parsley. Super easy to make, just mixing up stuff. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. I hope you like it. If you do, thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Also, if you have any recommendations of what you want me to make next, pop that comment down below in the description box and I shall get back to you. So bye bye for now, and see you in the next video.